Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to present to you some tricks in WhatsApp, some amazing tricks and tips. So let's get straight to the WhatsApp. So if you open WhatsApp, you go in chats. So take any chat. For instance, I've selected this. Okay. So first tip is if you want to send your words in bold, so all you need to do is put a star before the word and type the word like how. So in this way your word will appear in bold letters. Okay. The second tip, it's also a chat and it's also can be used in the chat, is yep. If you want to send your word in italic letter, italic style letter, so all you need to do is type underscore before the word and then type the word, and you can see here it has now turned into the italic style. Okay, the third tip, it's also a chat tip, is if you want a cross letter, if you want to send cross letter, so what you will need to do is use this sign before the word and then again use this sign, so it will show like that. It will it will send the crossed word, it will send the word in crossed condition. Okay, another tip I want to show you guys is we all feel that you know our storage gets used a lot when you especially when you have joined the groups and the attachments others send, and it directly gets saved into your gallery or into your in the memory of your phone, and which causes your memory to get full. So in this tip I'm going to tell you, so for instance this is the group, and what you need to do is tap on this group. It will open the details like this, and in this you need to select media visibility, and in media visibility it says that show newly downloaded media from this chat in your phone's gallery. So basically if you, and it is a default yes, it is selected as a default yes. So what it does, it saves your attachment, it saves the attachments in your phone's gallery. So what you need to do is to simply tap no on it, and in this way now it will not get saved into your memory. So and now from now I have check mark no on it, so now it will not save from it. So hope you have liked this video, and please if you have, so please subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much.